Telebuzz is back with all the latest updates of your very own show Badhiya Achhe Lagte Hai. A lot of drama has been going on in this show with Pihu's admission in the school. But guys, a lot of interesting twists and turns are coming your way which will help Priya and Ram to unite. But this time around there is some more shocking news. Mohit Malhotra aka Karthik, who plays the brother of Sakshi Tanwar's aka Priyas in the show, has finally quit the show. There were rumors about earlier of him quitting, but he never did. Well, this time the news is confirmed as sources say he has left for good. Mohit's contract ended last month. When we contacted our reliable sources, he said Mohit did not want to continue with the show post the time leap because a lot of characters were introduced. He had nothing substantial to do. The production house wanted him to serve a 3-month notice period which ended in September. Seems like Mohit needed some more importance in the show. But we're surely going to miss Mohit aka Karthik from the show. What about you guys? If you're going to miss him too, then definitely like this video and leave your comment. And don't forget to subscribe to Telebuzz for more updates.